Okay, so number 6, I'm supposed to say Z or T. All right, and I got all these different N's here, so I start off by going, oh yeah, okay, that was that 30 thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this one's gotta be a Z, and I'm just gonna go with T's on all of these. But then it says, hey, Z or T, or neither one. Okay, there was a worst possible case. You got a small n, sigma is unknown, and it's not even normal, it's skewed. That was worst of all worlds. That's why neither is one of those choices. Okay, so you should probably go and look and see if you could see the worst of all possible worlds and change that one. You could say, well, I was reading my book, and it said if I know sigma, even if n is small, I could still do this. We said that was the most impractical situation known to mankind, and it's never going to happen to you. But if it was, you could say Z instead. Okay, so either of those answers would be acceptable, but I know people are just mostly going to start with that n equals. That's going to be your decider for you. Okay, and then especially since I start reading and it says, if you choose Z, you have to say inv norm half the leftovers. Now down here, I've got to do inv norm because I've got to answer this, n equals 100 with a Z. Inv norm half the leftovers. Okay, 10% or 90% is my number, 10% is my leftovers, half the leftovers, inv norm 0.05, which is 1.645. If I wanted to answer Z on this one, I can, because it's really what the book says to do. But then I have to inv norm half the leftovers. The leftovers is 1%. Half the leftovers is 0.5%, 0.005. And if I inv norm that, it's 2.57. Now, if you had answered the second one with T, we don't have an inv T button, which is the only reason why I don't ask you to do the inv T's on the ones you write down T. So if you had written down T, which I was going to accept anyway, obviously you're not going to do an inv norm on that.